Hi children, good morning. Today I am going to explain drawing a bar graph. Okay, they given information. Okay, some information they given. Okay, you have to draw bar graph. Bar graph means x-axis. For example, see here the given information data and name of the fruits banana, orange, apple, guava. Okay, number of students banana 8 students, orange 3 students, apple 5, guava 4. Okay, first you have to take scale. Okay, one how much you take, 1 unit length equal to how much you take, that one you have to first you have to analyze. Okay, see here children, 1 unit length equal to 1 student. Yes, they are taken 1 unit length equal to 1 students. See here, x, this is x-axis, y-axis. Y-axis taking number of students, x-axis fruits taken. Okay, see here, 1 unit length equal to 1 student. See here, y-axis, 1 unit length equal to 1 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10 you have to take. Okay, number of students and fruits. First, banana. Okay, how much students? 8. Yes, same space in between bar graph, same space you have to leave. Okay, and same equal distance. Okay, see here, banana 1 unit length. How much length? 1 unit length equal to 1 students. How much students? How many students are there? 8 students are there. Banana. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 up to 8 you have to draw and draw bar graph. Okay, banana. Completed. Orange 3. 3 you have to take and draw bar graph orange. You have to write orange. And apple 5 students. Okay. Guava 4 students. Yes, 4. Understand? Okay. See here children, one more example here. Example 10. Following table, the given table, you have to draw bar graph. Okay. Following table shows the monthly expenditure of Imran's family on various items. Okay, items: house rent, food, education, electricity, transport, miscellaneous expenditure 3,000, 3,400, 800, 400, 600, 1200 is there. Okay, see how to write, how to draw this bar graph, this one. But see here children, last 3,400 is there last. Okay, see here, first you have to take start from 200. Okay, 1 unit length equal to 200. See here, 1 unit because of nearest number. Okay, 1 unit length equal to 200 rupees you have to take and draw bar graph. Okay, see here, 1 unit length equal to 200, 200 up to 300, 3,600 where to point, put points. Okay, after house rent, y axis you have to take expenditure. Okay, next y axis you have to take items. Okay, first house rent 3,000 is there. Okay, 3,000 you have to draw bar graph. And food 3,400. Yes, and education 800, electricity 400, transport 600, and miscellaneous 1200. Okay, understand? Okay, see here, they given some questions. Draw two perpendicular lines on vertical and horizontal. Along the horizontal line, mark the items, and along the vertical line, mark the corresponding expenditure. Understand? They given information. According to information, you have to draw bar graph. Okay, understand? See here, children, one horizontal bar graph, one more previous, that is vertical bar graph. Yes, see here, same data can be represented by interchanging position of items and expenditure as shown below. Just change the interchanging the positions only. Don't see here, expenditure y-axis, x-axis, and items y-axis. Okay, 1 unit length equal to 200 rupees. Where to? Next, 1 unit length equal to, they are taking 200 rupees. Okay, see here, y-axis expenditure and y-axis items, x-axis expenditure. Just interchanging the positions. You have to draw horizontal. This is horizontal, previous one is vertical bar graph. Understand? Once again, you have to practice this example. After tomorrow, I will explain exercise 9.4. For how many questions are there? 4 questions. Tomorrow, this data handling lesson completed, and I will take test. Okay, see here, children, bar graph and pictograph. Based on pictograph, you have to collect the information. First you have to make table, after you have to write questions. Okay, same process you have to apply bar graph. Process not, you have to draw bar graph is different and pictograph is different. In pictograph you have to represent the pictures. Okay, data you will represent to pictures. Here you have to draw bar graph. Okay, understand? I hope you understand this bar graph, drawing a bar graph concept. Tomorrow I will explain exercise 9.4 complete. Today you have to practice example 10. Okay, if any doubt, ask me. Drawing a bar graph, example 10, where to practice. Okay, if any doubt, ask me. Today drawing a pictograph completed, and drawing a bar graph completed. Tomorrow I will explain based on this example. Tomorrow I will explain exercise 9.4. Okay, practice. Thank you.